Hey guys, you're welcome back to Julia Beauty and Style. So in today's video, I've compiled red beautiful styles for you. Braids, cornrow, jumbo or knotless braids. I have all wrapped up in this video. Everything is red, different shades of red extensions. And I know definitely you're going to see something you love about this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. So this is the heart shape crisscross kind of a cornrow, but the edge of her cornrow is a bit longer. So there are other crisscross and hair that I did a video which I'm gonna upload a few weeks, but here is basically red hair. So this red is mixture of a pink, like a baby pink kind of, or a fuchsia pink. And I also love my braids very long. Makes it look like a queen. This is another beautiful braid. This is a knotless braid, and the model, she kind of like tint her hair. So most times if you want to make a red braids, you have to make sure your hair is tint to the color of the braids. But there are still some people, they did not tint their hair is still black, like what you see now. Her hair is black and she's still rocking the red braids. So you can still rock the red braids even if you did not tint your hair to the extension. It's not compulsory you tint your hair to the extension. Yeah, so that's what I'm basically trying to say. Yeah, if you're a lover of colorful braids, then you should give a red a try. Yeah, and I also love this one. The tip of the red is the coil, the tip of it, using like a flexi rod. This is another red, but a combination of gold, white gold, more like a gray gold. Yes guys, so I have a whole lot of this of pictures here, and I know definitely you're gonna see the style that you love, the style that you would want. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's very important. We're trying to get to 50,000 subscribers. I cannot do that without your help, so with your help I'm gonna achieve that. Yes guys, and I'm gonna see you right after this video. Thank you. Welcome back, guys, and I hope you love this red styles. Yeah, if you know you love the styles, how about to give this video a thumbs up and let me know which shades of red that you love. Yeah, because I have a whole lot of different shades of red braids here, and there's also some that is locks and this and the if you have a dreadlock, you can also tint your dreadlock to red. Yeah, it's doable. And also there's this twist, Senegalese twist. It still comes in everything basically is just red extension. It all depends on how the stylist is able to play around with your red extension to give you a different and unique beautiful look. Yeah, don't forget I have other videos in my channel. Check out my other videos, and also don't forget to subscribe. It's very important you subscribe because we're trying to get to 50,000 subscribers. With your help, we're definitely gonna get there. And also I also do some product review. You can check it out. Remember, this video is basically for educational purpose, to give you styles ideas for you to rock the special occasion. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.